Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add privacy policy to Wix website. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description down below. So now, once you are on your Wix website editor guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on pages and menu over here on the side. And from here, just simply click on add page. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and create a blank page. And from here, you can call this page privacy policy. And now just simply click on done. And from here, guys, as you can see, it will be added on the menu tab. And you can just simply place it wherever you like over here. Now just simply click on add elements. And after that, just simply go to text and just simply go to the titles and just simply choose a text that based on your brand. And after that, just simply provide your privacy policy over here. So guys, you can go for chatgpt.com and just simply tell him that they create a privacy policy about your brand. So guys, just simply be more specific. And guys, you can just simply go to google.com and search for privacy policy generator. So guys, you will have here multiple options as well. So just simply try their service. So now guys, let's say this is the privacy policy that I have. And from here, just simply paste it over here. And after that, just simply place your text at the right place. And as you can see, you should be able to see here the style as well. And you should be able to edit your text over here. And from there, guys, you should be able to just simply click on save over here. And now when we go to the preview over here, we should be able to see our privacy policy. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.